Hey guys, now you already know that I love the rugged leather jacket look. I mean, it's all over my channel and you can check it out on the banner. And in this video, I'm gonna show you where to buy awesome leather jackets for under $200. Let's get to it. Alright guys, now if you want a good quality leather jacket, you need to take out some money to get it. But be careful here, because if you go to the wrong store to buy it from, or if you just buy the wrong brand, it might be overpriced just because of the store name or the brand name. Now, I found an awesome online shop called angeljackets.com with a huge variety of leather jackets that you can choose from. And they are all under $200. It's under $200 because they got discounts going on right now. Now, if you order a jacket from them, it will come in this package. All right, this is pretty cool. Hello, I'm what you've been waiting for. Now, let me unbox it and I'll show you what style of jacket I chose. I'm so happy to see you. Cool. Here we go guys, it's the Johnson dark brown leather jacket. Now this jacket was $278, but it's now only $189. That's 33% off. All right guys, now all that's left is to try it on and to give it an honest review. Let's do it. All right guys, here we go. It feels good. Woohoo! Alright, first impressions, it looks good, it feels good, and it gives you that kind of Captain America feel. This is definitely a jacket that will never go out of style. Alright, let me get into some details here. This jacket is 100% real lambskin leather, it's not fake. And it's also internally fully lined with skin-friendly viscose. And when you look at the collar, it's got this awesome strap collar with a smooth zip. You know, I really don't like it when a leather jacket does not have at least one or two inside pockets, especially if you want to put your phone inside your pocket. But this jacket has 4 zipped exterior and 2 inside pockets. And 1 extra pocket for your cell phone as well. Alright guys, so all in all honesty, it's a great quality jacket for a low affordable price. The reason for this is they just cut out the middleman, so it's cheaper for you. Now if you want to check them out, I've linked the details for you in the video description below. I've also added my 5 favorite jackets for you in the video description that you can check out. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it and also click that notification bell so you won't miss any of our next videos. And always remember this, life is short, so don't waste yours. Cheers guys.